Grand Rising family. Let's talk. Let's gist. Let's vibe. Today we're going to be talking about the elements of nature. I know we all know about the elements, but let's touch them again. There are 5 elements of nature. You have the fire, the water, the air, the earth, and spirit. These 4 elements, I'll take it bit by bit. First of all, why do we have elements of nature? Why did nature not just exist on her own without having elements? The thing is that creation is so broad. It is so limitless that these 5 aspects, these 5 elements of nature are like the platforms. They are the foundations of creation in this realm. So starting with fire, we know that fire cannot exist without first having a source. Every fire must have a source. Every fire must have a reason as to how it came about, why it is existing. Fire has light. Fire has smoke. Fire has heat. These 3 factors that we see in nature when it comes to fire, it also applies to us. We also have fire. What is our fire? The Kundalini energy is a fire on its own. It is the fire within us. It is like a flame that keeps burning. That's why we have varying temperature. Our body can go cold, can go hot, can be mild, can be mid, can be stable. When someone has high fever, that is the body's temperature increasing to burn off whatever parasitic disease that the body has contacted. That's burning it off. The high fever, it doesn't last for long, but when it lasts, it's removing something from the body because something is making the body not stay stable. The same thing with the Kundalini energy. It gives us the fire we need to know the purpose why we are here. When you don't know the use of something, you will definitely abuse it. That's why it's called abuse. It's an abnormal use. So just how nature has fire, we also have fire because we are products of nature. We are nature. Anything you can find in the universe, you can find in yourself. That's why it's called universe. Not me-niverse, not them-niverse, universe. Now,